Okay, today I want to talk about the camera and how you are going to be adding it to your frame. Some things I want to point out. The camera, the text right here, so you're reading it left to right, so then the wires are going to be on the top. So when you're adding it to your frame, you don't want to mount it upside down, because it says run cam there, says run cam there. Easiest way is just to look at the letters or the wires. They're on top, so that's going to be the upper portion there. These are the screws that come with the camera, and you will be using the shorter ones. Let's see what we got here. We got long, another long, there's long, here's some shorts. So it looks like they give 3 shorties and 3 long ones. So you're going to be using the short ones. You're going to be using your 1.5 millimeter Allen and the standoffs. These are your standoffs, so just pick 2 of them. And then these are 3D printed camera mounts. And so the way that this works is you'll take your standoff and just kind of cram it in there. Might take some persuasion, as you can see. You obviously don't want it to be loose. So hopefully this will cooperate. So it's on there. Again, like I said, you don't want it loose, so that's why it's a tight fit. And I'm just going to push it down with my fingernails like that till it gets to about the middle of the standoff. So we're getting there. Like that. That looks pretty close to the middle. So we're going to do the same thing with this guy. Again, like I said, it is a tight fit that requires some persuasion. So get it on there and then just slowly push your way on like that. Doing it now is easier than once you have it all assembled. And then you can kind of put them together. That looks pretty close. Looks like this guy needs to come down just a smidge more. Like that. That's probably going to be it. So yeah, that looks to be good. So like I said, we're going to use our smallest one. And we'll go ahead and start it in here. Like that. There it is there. And then I'm just going to go like that. And now it's in there. Like that. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing to this guy. Start it. Like that. And then come over here and screw it in. Alright, so, and then the other thing that's good, so when you fly, your drone is pitched forward when you fly. So you want to have a little bit of a tilt. So I'll add just a little bit like that, okay? Now the other thing, that's the 1.5 for the little ones. You have a 2 millimeter for these larger ones, like this. And so what this will wind up looking like is we'll come in here from the bottom, put that in there like that, come over here, there's one, there's the other one. So as you can see, it's just like that. Okay. Then you'll do your guts. That'll plug in there. This standoff right here will come in to the very back one, like that. And then, after you've got all this, once you mount your motors, once you mount your prop guards, you'll be coming back in with this guy, just like that. You'll use your last three. These are M3 bolts, the ones that are used for the camera, and some of the other smaller ones that use the 1.5 Allen are actually two M2 bolts. So we use M2 and M3 metric. So kids, learn your metric system. You will need them. We'll do this last one, and this is basically what it's going to wind up looking like. Where is it? There it goes. Alright, so camera would go like that, plug in, all together. Some other things I wanted to quickly talk about before I run out of time. These wires are your receiver wires. You will want to get them out of the way when you do your mounting so that they don't wind up getting chopped up in the props. I'll do another video on that once we get final assembly. And again, if you have questions, comments, concerns, reach out to me, Jay McKibben, or Ron, and we will take care of you.